Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 14th of July, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The local share market rose 0.3% today to 7,355 points, with utility stocks outperforming everyone else, while the information technology index fell 2.7%. That's a big drop. There wasn't a lot of action among the large caps. The banks were mixed and the big miners were just a touch higher. The retailers, Wesfarmers, Woolworths and Coles all outperformed, while Transurban Group, Aristocrat Leisure and James Hardie Industries all rose more than 1%. The gold miners also did well, led by Newcrest Mining, which finished 2.6% higher. The price of the precious metal rose again today. That's what's helping the miners. It's now trading above $1,810 an ounce. The biggest falls on the market today came from the buy now, pay later groups, Zipco and Afterpay, which were down 11.4% and 9.6% respectively. That came after Apple said it was getting into the payment installment sector, having done a deal with Goldman Sachs. Also, PayPal launched its buy now, pay later product today, and investors are worried about what the competition means for the local payment systems companies. Spark Infrastructure went into a trading halt today for no specific reason. It followed a jump in its share price of nearly 8%, and there was speculation in the market that the $4.4 billion company that owns and manages electricity infrastructure assets was a takeover target. Seven Group said it had acquired 48% of Boral. The $8.8 billion takeover offer closes tomorrow, though if Seven gets to 50%, it will automatically be extended. Seven has managed to wrangle control of the building materials group without paying much of a premium. AngloGold Ashanti has made a $370 million bid for Toronto Stock Exchange listed gold miner Corvus. The offer is at a 55% premium to Corvus's trading value. That's a pretty steep premium. In economic news, the Westpac Melbourne Institute's Consumer Confidence Survey, released today, showed a surge in Victoria more than offset a drop in New South Wales this month, meaning the overall index was, surprisingly, higher. Lockdowns and restrictions were expected to dent sentiment, though that hasn't really happened. It follows a drop in business confidence announced yesterday, though sentiment among businesses remains above average levels. Both those indexes augur well for the economy. A New Zealand central bank said it would tighten monetary policy by ending bond purchases this month. That's a big step towards lifting interest rates and comes as the housing market in New Zealand has surged in recent months. The Aussie dollar is trading at 74.6 US cents, and just recapping Wall Street, all the major indices fell overnight, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average off 0.3% and the S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq both down 0.4%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 14th of July. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of Fear and Greed, and then for a chat to Intuit's Megan Wood about how small business is faring. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.